So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to unbox, review and give my first impression of this SanDisk pen drive. This pen drive, also known as flash drive, is of SanDisk company, and its model number is SanDisk Ultra Luxe USB 3.1 flash drive, having USB 3.1 generation 1 port. So it will support USB 1.0 port, 2.0 port, 3.0 port, 3.14, and this is 3.1 generation 1. It's the latest one. So I have ordered this package from Amazon, and it got delivered within 4 days of ordering it. And let's unbox it. There's not much in unboxing it. This is just like a cardboard case in which you are given this type of slip. We have to just make a cut around it, and let's keep it this here aside. Now whenever you open this, there are some kind of marks and number written on it, so I'll actually show to you, which it suggests that this is official SanDisk product. If this kind of numbers are mentioned on your the packet you received, it means that it is the original one, not a duplicate one. Usually duplicate one doesn't have any kind of this type of printing in it. This signifies the model batch number or something else like that. Now moving to the pen drive. The pen drive is of 32 GB. Its read speed is around 150 Mbps, which is mentioned on its label, but actually what we get I will tell you in this video later on after testing it. So its first impressions are like, here they have mentioned that it is metal design, and yes, we get this pure metal, like the input port, it is also metal, and this whole board, and it's very tiny. You can see this. It's like not only two parts of my finger. It's very small, and like it's only the USB port. It's like the direct port which goes in, nothing else. Means it is very compact, it is very small, and yes, fully metal build, no tension, and very durable. All of it's around, like you can see, this is a metal build. I am just worrying that this I have not seen anything there before. If you know, then comment below that this type of metal section, I don't know why, but I haven't seen any other pen drive. It is like there is one gap, blue part, and another metal section. Usually normal pen drives don't have it, but this one has. I don't know why, but I am facing like one of the problem. I don't know why, because it may be new product. So whenever I put in any USB drive, like any USB port in a computer, any PC, it is very tight to go in there. Does your pen drive have that kind of issue? Like, so I don't know whether it is normal when you buy a new pen drive or like any like issue. But yes, I think that the port here given steel plate, it makes it harder. I mean, it locks it inside, so it may be like an advantage and a disadvantage too. When I first unboxed it and when I first plugged into my computer, I felt very hard, and that time I thought that it might be the duplicate, because on YouTube there are many people have made videos like you have to see like whether you got the original one or duplicate one. So that was all about that build quality which I found out on this device. Now finalizing on the build quality, it is very good, very compact, and yes, many people are asking such type of questions like is it heating, like metal pen drive, does it give leak current? So I would like to clear out that question, that usually metal pen drive heats, because see, metal is like a good conductor of heat, and plastic which you usually buy is like a resistor of heat. So usually plastic pen drives also heat inside, but the thing is like inside the chip doesn't dissipate heat to its body. and when you buy the metal pen drive, the thing would be like when it will be like little much heated, then it heats will be dissipated to all the body and then into its surrounding. But whenever you will touch, you will feel not warmer. It will heat up like a little bit, but it's okay. And yes, for the heat testing, I have like runs in my TV. I have plugged this pen drive and seen movies and listened to songs for like continuous of 6 hours. Like it's my I have tested it like that way, and yes, from that 6 hours, it doesn't make like you cannot touch it, or you have to take the cloth and like take it out. I have seen this type of cases, like in some of the HP pen drives, it heats it so much that you have to put the cloth and take out. But in this pen drive, there is no issue. It's best. And yes, when the people ask that does it leak current or what something, so usually if you have laptops and PCs which are like company manufactured and company fitted, then no case of like current, you will get leakage of current in this pen drive. They see metal passes on the current. This is true, it's the nature of metal. But the thing is, when you like assemble this PC from a local shop, you take cheap parts and assemble this, where in this you have low budget, and so that's why the thing is like the build of that local computer assembled PC is like not so good. So the thing is, in that PC, I had one type of PC. I have assembled PC of local shop when I was small. So the case is like whenever you plug metal pen drive, any metal pen drive. See, I have not tested with this one, but in that no certified pen drive, there are chances of you to get current. This is current is like little bit of current, but why do you get? See, I am just clearing your doubt on that, like metal pen drive give you shock. Yeah, it's called shock. I was telling it current. See, you don't get any type of shock in this pen drive or any pen drive. But the thing is, use like certified brand TVs, not an cheaper local assembled TV, not cheaper local assembled PC like CPU. Buy certified brand CPU, company fitted. Buy certified laptops. See, laptops you can get it at local shop. So the shock is not a big issue. So on Amazon, various prices are given for this pen drive. SanDisk Ultra Lux USB 3.1 flash drive. See, some are priced at 1,200 rupees. See, I am talking it in Indian rupees. I don't know about international thing, that whether how much you got in your country dollars or somewhere. I got it in 480 rupees in India, on that also on sale. It was like something, I don't know what its regular figure, but in sale I got it at 480. And yes, in India, if you want USB generation 3.1 generation 1 pen drive, very cheapest rate, this is the best pen drive in India according to my knowledge. There are, when I want to buy the pen drive, there are only like not too much pen drive available below 500 rupees. And so see, there are two pen drives of two different brands I found under the segment of rupees 500, which are of USB generation 3.1 generation 1 pen drive. So one is Kingston, I don't know its model number, but the Kingston pen drive cost you at 400 rupees. It is plastic model, so yeah, little bit this heat ups. That one will not heat up little bit. This cost you 480 rupees. So does it is 80 rupees extra worthy or not? Yes, it is 100% 80 rupees extra worthy. Buy this pen drive in 480 rupees. Yeah, if your budget is very tight at 400 rupees and you cannot like extend it to 480, then it's okay. Like, see, Kingston is available. There is also USB 3.1 generation 1 pen drive. But the thing is, like, that pen drive my cousin brother has, and the thing is, like, whenever I copy pasted files in that pen drive, it is also written 150 Mbps speed, but it doesn't give this write speed of 150 Mbps nor read speed of 150 Mbps. See, when pasting things from the pen drive to the PC, that pen drive goes around 60 to 70, I don't know how much. But when you copy the files from pen drive, from PC to the pen drive, it gives speed of 100 Mbps. Sorry, yeah. This SanDisk Ultra pen drive, if you are thinking to buy under 500 rupees, it is the best pen drive I have ever seen. Better than that Kingston one. Because, see, my disk is metal. If it gets heated, it dissipates. Little warmer you will feel on touching it. But it gets 2 speed of USB 3.1 generation 1. See, 2 speed. I mean by 2 speed is like very, very true speed. About when I tested this pen drive on my PC specs are I have Core i3 4th generation PC with hard disk, not SSD. Okay, and yes, I have USB 3.1 port and USB 2.0 port. On USB 2.0 port, it was giving around speed of 100 to 150 Mbps. Read speed I am talking about. Okay, and on USB 3.1 port, it was giving me the speed of 120 to 140 Mbps. In between, it was like it used to like up and down, it used to change. But finalizing, it was like 150 to 140 in between. It has never gone above 140. I have never seen. I have used it on 2 days and I have filled whole pen drive, removed, and I have tested it very much. So after that, it's write speed. On USB 2.0 port, this pen drive, SanDisk Ultra Lux USB 3.1 device gives you speed of 15 Mbps. It is around 15 Mbps. Sometimes it goes to 18, 81, and it's all, but 18 and 21, sorry, not 81. 21 Mbps sometimes it goes, but it's like changing, not fixed. So on an average, it will give you around 15 Mbps speed on USB 2.0. And yes, this is USB 3.1 pen drive, latest generation, on the cheapest price. When you plug it in the USB 3.1 port, it gives you write speed around 50 Mbps. I don't know why. My write speed is around like 35 to 50 Mbps. See, the thing is, like, when you copy some files into this pen drive, then the thing is, first of the 80% of the moving will move, like it will like stutter from 35 to 50 Mbps in between, like sometime 40, sometime 50, sometime 20. Then it will come down. When 80% is complete, then it will come down to like 30 Mbps, 25 Mbps. Like last 20% of the file is there now. It's like gone, like it drops down. And this is not with this pen drive. This is with the all pen drive. It happens. Now the thing is, I think that why this happens, the last 20% is last 10 to 15%, that I have hard disk. If you have SSD, then this might not, like, it will be full. It will give you 50 Mbps write speed. No problem, very fast. Okay. Now I have tested it on PC. Then I tested it on laptop. On laptop, you will get speed of around neither like 25 to 30 Mbps write speed. See, on laptop first, I am talking about when you put it in USB 3.1 port. Okay, on laptop I haven't tried on USB 2.0 port. The blue one, USB 3.1 port, I put it on that port, and on that port, on the laptop, it gave me write speed of about 25 Mbps. That's it. Okay. And in laptop, I don't know why. Laptop is very compact. I have laptop of i5. My laptop is higher than my PC, but I don't know why. In the matter of read speed, it only gives me up to 50 Mbps to 60 Mbps. I don't know why this happened. If anybody has the solution, you can tell me in the comment section. In laptop, I have installed Windows 10, i5, Windows i5 processor, and 1 TB hard disk. See, both have hard disk. SSD, the performance may increase, but in laptop, when you write speed remains same if you use it in PC or use it in laptop. But in the read speed matter, in PC, it gives you around 120 to 140 Mbps in USB 3.1 port. But in laptop, when you use it on USB 3.1 port, it won't give you speed. It's around like 50 Mbps, not going more. Yeah, sometimes goes up to 60, but like it's it drops up, goes up, goes down, like a stock market, and at the end sometimes it goes down like up to 20 Mbps. So overall, if you're using it in laptop, this pen drive will give you speed of around 50 Mbps read speed and write speed of 25 Mbps in laptop. If you're using it in PC, it will give you write speed of 30 to 40 Mbps and may go up to 130 to 140 Mbps read speed. Okay, PC very good, laptop read speed is low, rest all very good pen drive under 50. So finally, so at the end of the video, should you buy this pen drive in 2021? SanDisk Ultralux USB 3.1 generation 3.1 pen drive. See, in Amazon there are two models available. One with little bit of plastic, which is USB 3.0, and this is 3.1. Okay, in like according to my research, in the October month, nor on Flipkart nor on Amazon, only on Amazon you will find two pen drives, Kingston and SanDisk, under 500 rupees, which are of USB 3.1 generation 1. I mean the latest generation and the very fastest pen drive. And among these two, this SanDisk pen drive is way better, way faster, way durable, and yes, all things. And yes, it also gives you 5-year warranty. So at the end, if you are thinking you to invest your 480 rupees in this pen drive, okay, so in 480 rupees I got delivery free from Amazon. I will put a link of it in the description section if you want to take, or else you can search. If I don't give you link, I don't know what, but you can search it on Amazon. You can buy this pen drive in 2021 because it's the latest generation. It has 5-year warranty, no problem. Read speed is around like 140 Mbps and write speed is around like 50 Mbps in PC. Now see, I have got this. My PC will be specs different. Some of you have graphic cards, some of you have not, some of you have SSDs and all this different things. And in laptop, I tell you that the speed varies. I don't know why. Laptop is very compact and it runs on a battery, so laptop is not able to give so much amount of read speed. Okay, write speed remains same on the laptop and the PC both. Then also laptop is like 5 Mbps low than PC. Okay, so finally you can buy this product. It is very good. Only thing I got is it is very tight. I don't know why. Maybe it's new one or whatever happened. I will see. And yes, I whenever you get this pen drive or you buy any pen drive, I will talk to you in the next video that how you confirm that your pen drive you got is the original one or a duplicate one. I will make a video on that. Till then, if this video is helpful to you, like it. If this video, if you think that is worth your time and you want to see more type of video, you can subscribe to my channel. It's free, and yes, it will also motivate me. That's all. This pen drive, last and final review, is very worthy and you can buy it in 480 rupees. See, for this pen drive, don't give more than 500 rupees. Okay, that's all. In 500 rupees you get it at 480, good. Above 500, see, you are seeing my videos after 6 months, 7 months, I don't know when. You are going to just search, and if the title matches or the hashtag matches, then maybe YouTube will recommend my video. I don't have so much subscribers, so at that time maybe in the sale like the C-type port is available. If that is when I was buying this Ultralux C-type C port is also available, but it was of 700 rupees. This is of 480 rupees. I buy this. I don't need C port because I have that cable which I get into mobile, and yes, in mobile it works very fantastic, no problem. Okay, you can buy this very good pen drive. Okay, tata, bye bye, see you in the next video.